Okay guys, welcome to 34th tutorial on PHP, and in here we're going to look at globals. In this case we're going to look at sessions, right? I'll just put that in here for a minute. Now, if I could spell it would be better, wouldn't you? Or I could type and spell at the same time, would even be better again. Now, I just put two headers in here and two references, two links to just to two pages, okay? Now, a session variable underscore session, right, in capitals. I'm calling this user, I'm going to give it a name of Mark. And then I want to echo out this session, okay? So if I go in here to my PHP, my map, and if I go in index.php, what I'm expecting now is to get the text, but also my name, this name popping up here, okay? My name. Okay, my name is Mark, everybody knows now. Haha. But I'm going to get this name popping up here, if it ever decides to load up. And she's a little bit slow again. Everybody must be using the net. Everybody. Well, we're getting there now, as you can see. Up here, globals in session. Now all I want to do is show you on this page that the browser then remembers my name. And it does